you think to that then? Eh? Crazy. There's a lorry behind, and that lorry will have cameras on, and he went over the double white lines to go past. He's not achieved anything there, look. I know I'm sounding like a spoil sport, but yeah, that lorry driver might hate motorcyclists. Some people do, and they've got cameras. Most vehicles have got cameras now, haven't they? Well, those lorries have all got cameras, and you're just risking your licence doing tricks like that. Just wait till there's a proper chance and then go. Am I right or am I wrong? Let me know.